Hi, and welcome to Window Cleaning Dude. In this episode, we'll be talking about adding Christmas lights as an extra add-on service to your business. If you're new to window cleaning and you're just starting your window cleaning business, and let's say you live in a colder climate where it's not nice and sunny year-round and you get snow, one of the nice add-ons to your business is Christmas lights. I know that in the winter months, your business can slow down in colder climates. People aren't as excited to get their windows clean necessarily when it's snowing outside. This is the time where you definitely want to probably have some storefronts or commercial accounts to help make up for residential customers who might not be getting their windows cleaned as often in the winter time. That's not to say that people don't get their windows cleaned in the winter time, because they do. But if it is slow, then you want to think about adding Christmas lights to your lineup. Now, the nice thing about adding Christmas lights to your window cleaning service if you live in colder climates is that you can in fact pull in 30 grand a year hanging Christmas lights. And I'm going to go over in this video a little bit about how to do that. Now, if you live in warmer climates where you are able to clean year-round, then you might not consider doing Christmas lights, as it will interfere with your typical window cleaning business. But then again, you might want to add it on. It's, like I said, another 30 grand easily in the winter time to hang lights for people, and then of course take them back down at the end of the Christmas season. So let's go over how to add this to your business. So it's really simple. All you want to do is market this on your website, and you can also market door to door, even like with door hangers, or you could market in your local newspaper or penny saver, places like that. I mean, there are different ways to market. Mostly, I would say that probably the most successful way to market this service is with door hangers on people's doors, because typically this is not something that they will be thinking about that a window cleaner would typically do. Obviously, the other good places to market this idea of hanging Christmas lights for people as a window cleaner is on your website, and of course on Google AdWords. You might want to throw up a Google AdWords account for marketing of hanging Christmas lights. Now, they don't necessarily have to know that you're a window cleaner that's doing this, but you want to market this at the right time. So probably starting right after Halloween. Some people like to start hanging Christmas lights in November. The way you do this is you want to actually purchase all the Christmas lights that you're going to be hanging so that you can use them year after year. That's what a lot of people do who do this, and then you're going to have to store those Christmas lights in a temporary storage unit or in your own property. Otherwise, the other option is to have the customer themselves buy the lights and then you hang the lights. But if you are purchasing the lights yourself, then you might be able to add more to your price for hanging the lights and maybe double the cost there on terms of how much it would be for the customer to buy the light as opposed to you buying the light and bringing the lights to hang yourself. Also, the customer might not have easy access to buying the lights that you might offer. You might be able to go ahead and buy those lights in advance online and have more options to choose from than they can buy from locally. And if they're in a hurry to get those lights hung, it's always convenient for the customer to know that you already have the lights available for them to hang at their home. You need to go hang them for the customer, and then you need to come back at the end of the Christmas season, collect your lights up, and then store them either in your home or in a storage unit. So you're basically just charging for putting up the lights and taking them down, and then of course if you're buying the lights for them, you're going to charge them for that. So you have to figure out what the process is going to be for you in terms of buying the lights and whether or not they get to keep the lights. But the point is that you can make good money hanging Christmas lights, and then you're going to go out and instead of window cleaning, you're going to hang as many lights as possible each day heading up towards Christmas, and then afterwards, after Christmas is over, after the New Year's is over, then you're going to go back and take all those lights back down. Unfortunately, you're probably going to get paid, you really want to get paid up front, so at the end you got to go back and take all those lights down, and you got to take that into consideration that you're not going to be getting paid again to go out there and take those lights back down, but you need to fulfill your contract and fulfill your promise and go back and take those lights back down. So another good place you might be able to buy lights is on Amazon, or you might try Walmart.com. You can also try Alibaba. There's obviously lots of different places you can buy Christmas lights online, and you want to look for the cheapest price so that you can charge more or make more from what you're charging. And then of course, you need to really make sure you do set a schedule for when you're going to come and hang these lights, and you need to make a schedule for when you're going to go and take these lights back down. So that's pretty much all there is when it comes to hanging Christmas lights. It's a pretty simple add-on business. There's not a lot involved. It's just a matter of working with the customer, finding out what lights they are interested in, finding what their how many square feet of the lights that you need, where they want them hung, and then of course just being safe hanging those lights, especially if it's like a 2-story and there's snow. You want to be extremely careful getting up there and hanging those lights. You want to take all that into consideration in terms of pricing. Most window cleaners will, when they hang lights, they will price by the square footage, and you want to do some research in your area as to what's a competitive price for hanging lights by the square foot. And that's pretty much it for hanging Christmas lights. If you like this video and like the content that I shared for you today, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel here and be a part of the window cleaning community. It also lets YouTube know that you find valuable content here on this channel. Also hit that notification bell for any upcoming videos, and then of course check out windowcleaningdude.com to see all my content that I have there. It's all free for you in your window cleaning business, to help you start your business start to finish, and everything you need to know in window cleaning to have a successful window cleaning business. The tools of the trade, how to do the different processes, where you can find all the different equipment and so forth. Everything's there, including the step-by-step guide for window cleaning for you to learn from, and for me to be your mentor. And basically it's a free franchise for you to learn everything about window cleaning. Also, don't forget to comment down below on anything that you want to know more about, or if you have any questions about hanging Christmas lights, and I will see you in the next video.